Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to unbox the Apple iPad Air 2025. Now, this is a brand new 2025 iPad Air with a powerful M3 chip. I've got the 256 gigabyte Wi-Fi plus cellular model. So let's unbox it. So here I've already opened the sticker beneath. This is what it looks like at the back of the box. So give you the details of the device, 11-inch M3 Wi-Fi plus cellular, and the gigabyte. And you got the serial number down here and the model number. All right, so let's open it up. Okay, so at the top here is the iPad. So as usual, Apple nails the presentation. Right on top, the iPad itself. Look at that slim design and stunning display right here. So if I pick it up, there is a grab. So we can just ungrab it. This year, the iPad is very light and quite slim as well. It's beautiful, beautiful design, light. It has flat edges. So here we got the flat edges all around. Got the speakers, USB-C port right here. USB-C port. Here it is, USB-C port. And the connector that back here as well. So we've got USB-C, Touch ID on the top button, and yep, SIM tray included for cellular connectivity. So over here we have cellular tray. So with the new model, there's no SIM tray. It is only compatible with eSIM only. And as usual, we have the front camera here. There is also a back camera at the back here as well. And then we've got the USB-C port and speakers on both sides. At the top here is the Touch ID button. Right here, we've got the Touch ID button. And then you got the volume buttons on the side. Volume up and volume down. You got the front camera. And you also have a tiny microphone right here. It's really tiny. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very tiny right here. It's a tiny microphone right here. Okay, so that's the iPad itself. Inside the box here, what else do you get? You also have the USB charge cable as well as a charger. That's perfect because most devices don't come with a charger, but the iPad, thank God, it comes with a charger. So the charger, USB-C charge cable, and a user instruction in this box. Now if we go to the back here, you have the smart connector as well as USB-C connector, and then on the side we have the magnetic connector as well down here. So on the side we have a magnetic connector on the side here. And yeah, that's as for the iPad. And that's it. So that is a quick unboxing video. This is the iPad Air 2025 M3. It's clean, powerful, and ready to go. If you want a full setup guide or performance test, drop a comment below. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.